Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful. First, to understand our question, the program has to accept the n string values and split the strings into four equal halves of length L, and then create a matrix of size R, so that is row is equal to n into 3, and then C is equal to L into 3. So here L specifies the length of the four equal half, so with asterisk. And then we have to modify the matrix by inserting the substrings in certain position shown below. So first we are going to accept the n string values and split the strings into four equal halves of length L and create a matrix of size row is equal to n into 3 and C is equal to L into 3 with asterisk, and modify the matrix by inserting the substrings in certain position shown below. So first we have our test case. So this is our test case in which we're going to split the strings into four equal halves. So you can see the strings are divided into four equal halves, and now we're going to find the number of rows. So now the length is len of s double slash 4. So here we have 16, length as 16, so 16 divided by 4 is 4. And then for rows, n into 3 is equal to 12 because n is 4, so 3, so 4 into 3 it is 12. And then for column, similarly we'll have L into 3, so length is 4, so 4 into 3 it is 12. So rows is also 12, column is also 12. So now we'll have a matrix with fully asterisks of size 12 into 12. Now this is the matrix we have formed with asterisk. So now the strings in the first column will be in the middle of this matrix. So we'll replace this asterisk with that substrings. And then the strings, that is substrings in the second column, will be replaced to the right side of the middle strings. So it will be here. So yes, and then this third column substrings will be in the last middle columns of the asterisk matrix. That is, this will be replaced here. Yes, and then for the other four substrings, they will be replaced in the left side of the middle substrings. That is, they will be replaced here. And now finally, this will be the output of our program. Now we'll understand the logic of this program. So first we have to get our input, that is the integer n, and then we have to get the n string values, and it will be stored in strval. So after getting the n string values, then we'll have the length as length of any one of the string divided by 4, that is len of strval of 0, denoting the first row, divided by 4. This will give us the length of the string. So after getting the length, we have to get the number of rows as n into 3, and columns is l into 3. So and then we have to, after finding number of rows and columns, with that we have to form a matrix with asterisks. So here we have for column in range C and for row in range R. So after forming this matrix, we have to replace the substrings at their respective positions. So for that, we'll specify the positions while for row from 0 to length, there is n. So the first column will be first column, the substrings in the first column will be replaced in the middle of the matrix. So for that matrix of row of, so this will be denoted by L colon L into 2. So this will give the middle position, and then list of str val of 0. So this will define the string values of 0 to colon L. So here the string val will be converted to list. So and then it will give the correct position. So this is for the first 4 rows, and then for the next we have to iterate from n to row as n star 2. So as you can see, the second substrings in the second columns replace the last part of the matrix, and then the fourth column substrings are replaced in the left side of the matrix. So for that we'll have same as this, but the only thing is we'll replace the row with row minus en. Sorry, will not have this here. So here it is row actually, and here it will be row minus en, and then here also it will be row minus en. And so you can see the left side of the matrix containing the fourth column substrings. So here it will be colon L, and here it will be minus L colon. And for this, that is for the last part, that is right side part, we'll have minus L colon, and then here it is L asterisk, sorry, L2 L asterisk 2. So now we have defined the positions for the first 3 column strings. So now for the last one, we have for row from n star 2 to row n star 3, we'll have the same, but we'll change. So here it is middle, but the string values must be changed to row minus n asterisk 2, and also here it is L asterisk 2 colon L asterisk 3. So this will give us the correct positions in the middle of the matrix. So now you can see the row, here it is row, here it is row minus 1, here also it is row minus n, and here it is row minus n asterisk 2. So finally we'll print each row by joining them using the join function. So yes, we have done with our program.